Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you're here for the first time, welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay. I hope you're doing well, and if you're looking to take a few minutes to relax, you've come to the right place. For today's video, I have with me yet another Scrawlrbox. So as always, thank you so much Scrawlrbox for this. It's always such a pleasure to unbox them and try new things and materials. This is Scrawlrbox number 109, and this time around it's all about manga. Inside the box, you'll find the usual zine, describing the materials you're getting, a few tips on how to swatch and use them, a gallery of art, and information about the featured artist. This month's featured artist is Nicola Yao, and I'll leave their socials in the description. We also got a print and a sticker with art made by Nicola. As for the supplies, this time we got an A5 Clairefontaine paint-on recycled paper pad, 2 Derwent artist coloring pencils in brown and grey, a Pigma Micron fine liner pen, a white Sakura jelly roll, and as for the main character of this box, a custom color set of 8 Colorista art markers. These are alcohol-based and dual tips, fine and brush. Oh, and inside each box, there's always a small snack, which I always find cute and fun. Alright, now that I showed you everything, it's time to swatch all of these and then create something with all of it. I have no idea what I'll do yet, so I'll leave some random ideas right here. One option is to do some fan art, draw some cats, maybe some flowers or something with nature, or a self-portrait, that could work as well. I'll let you take a guess and then we'll see if you got it right at the end of the video. So, you know the deal. Grab a cozy drink, your favorite snack, get comfortable, and come draw along with me. It's time for a bit of a break. Remember to take regular breaks while drawing and working. It doesn't need to be much, but it's a good idea to walk around for a bit, stretch your muscles, and drink some water. This can also be a great opportunity to subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying the video. Then, when you feel refreshed, it's time to get back to drawing. Hello again, I'm almost finished with this drawing and I had quite a lot of fun with it. I didn't strictly follow the prompt, which was manga maidens. Instead I drew my two cats, and I think they can be considered maidens, right? Also, I do think it has some manga vibes in here, especially with the background. So I think I passed the prompt. Speaking of prompt, did you join in any Inktober challenges this month? Last video I mentioned it, but I do have my own prompt list going on Instagram, and you're welcome to join us. These are my drawings for each prompt so far, and I'm having so much fun with it, and I love seeing what other people come up with, so thank you all who joined. And before you go, did you try to guess what I was going to draw at the beginning of the video? Did you get it right? Tell me in the comments. Alright, this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you next time. Bye!